Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to duplicate list in Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. To duplicate a list in Klaviyo, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Lists and Segments section. Find the list you want to duplicate and open it. Next, export the list by clicking on Manage List in the top right corner and selecting Export List to CSV. Klaviyo will send the exported file to your download folder. Once you've received the CSV file, return to the Lists and Segments page and create a new list by clicking Create List Segment and selecting List. After naming the new list, open it and go to Manage List, then choose Import Contacts. Upload the CSV file you exported earlier, map the fields if necessary, and complete the import. Once the process is finished, you will have successfully duplicated your list in Klaviyo. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80K in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.